North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond at 296 Edward Street, 296 Edward Street at Community Living for a general fire alarm. Called in by the alarm company. Key holder is pending. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond at 296 Edward Street at Community Living for a general fire alarm zone 2. Key holder is pending. Again, that's 296 Edward Street at Community Living for a general fire alarm. Time of the page is February 27th at 12:22:41.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
Car 1, acknowledge the page. You can mark car 1 responding as well.
As car 1, a copy that you're acknowledging the page and responding. It's 12:23. Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1. Or go ahead, dispatch, car 1.
Alarm company's called back. They spoke with key holder Ellie on site. She advised false alarm. Fire's not required.
Yeah, roger that, dispatch. I'm actually just arriving on scene here.
Roger, on scene. 12:24.
Car 1, Wingham Station. Go ahead, car 1. Do you require us to respond? That's negative. I'm just talking from here. I was actually in the parking lot 10 minutes before. Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just confirm false alarm.
There's a copy confirmation of a false alarm, 12:26.